symbols, like with respect to sign, we have two symbols, plus and minus. So if we see, there are three different terms here. So 2x, so this is one term. So if I try to figure it out, like, so 2x is one variable because there is one plus symbol, and after that we have plus y, so this is again one term, and then we have minus 10. So there would be three terms. So one is 2x plus y and minus 10. So again I repeat, terms are nothing but group of variables or letters. It could be combinations of both separated by plus or minus symbols. Is that clear? So these are the different signs or notations we use in algebraic expressions. In the next slide, we'll understand what are the different definitions of the different algebraic notations. We have already went through, but let me clarify it again. So we understood what is variable. So variables are nothing but the letters or